Hi everyone, welcome to the EasyEDA tutorial. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to add an overline on a while name to indicate that it's a low-level actual signal. In circuit design, we often deal with signals that are actual low. For example, result signals or chip select lines. To make this signal clear in schematic, it's common to draw a small bar or line about the signal name. So how can we do that in EasyEDA? Let's take a look. First, select the while whose name you want to edit. On the right-hand side, in the Properties panel, you will see a field called Name. Here's the trick. Simply add a tilde symbol in front of the signal name. For example, type VCC. EasyEDA will automatically display a line over the letters VCC, showing that this is a low actual signal. If we want to mix both low actual and normal signal names together, you can add the tilde to only part of the name. For instance, type like this. In this case, VCC will have an overline, while GND will stay normal. This way, you can easily show that VCC is actually low, but GND is just a regular signal. A quick note here. The tilde only affects the part of the name that comes right after it. So if you want multiple sections to have an overline, you will need to add a tilde before each one. And if you just want a normal signal name with no line, simply type it as usual. No tilde needed. By adding a tilde before the signal name, you can quickly create overline, low actual signal name in EasyEDA. It's a simple but super handy trick, especially when working with complex digital or logical circuits.